क्या तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए? डू यू नीड एनीथिंग? डू यू नीड एनीथिंग? वह बहुत देर से आया। He came very late. He came very late. सब कुछ मेरे सामने हुआ। Everything happened in front of me. Everything happened in front of me. तुम मेरी जगह होते तो? What if you were me? What if you were me? उसने मेरी मदद नहीं की। He didn't help me. He didn't help me. मैं उस पर विश्वास करता हूँ। I trust him. I trust him. तुम हमेशा समय पर आते हो। You always come on time. You always come on time. उसने एक अच्छा सुझाव दिया। He gave a good suggestion. He gave a good suggestion. क्या वह अब ठीक है? Is he fine now? Is he fine now? अब कुछ नहीं बचा है। Nothing is left now. Nothing is left now. मुझे तुमसे यह उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect this from you. I didn't expect this from you. हम सब मिलकर काम करेंगे। We all will work together. We all will work together. क्या यह तुम्हारी आखिरी बात है? Is this your final word? Is this your final word? मैंने तुम्हारी हर बात मानी। I agreed to everything you said. I agreed to everything you said. वह मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है। He is my good friend. He is my good friend. अब हम कुछ नया करेंगे। Now we'll do something new. Now we'll do something new. मैं जिम्मेदारी से भाग नहीं रहा। I'm not running from responsibility. I'm not running from responsibility. क्या यह सच नहीं है? Isn't it true? Isn't it true? मुझे यह सब पसंद नहीं। I don't like all this. I don't like all this. क्या तुमने मेरी बात सुनी? Did you listen to me? Did you listen to me? मुझे और कुछ बताओ। Tell me something more. Tell me something more. मैं यहाँ आराम करने आया हूँ। I came here to relax. I came here to relax. यह बिल्कुल वैसा ही है। It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. हमें जल्दी निकलना चाहिए। We should leave early. We should leave early. क्या यह तुम्हारे लिए मुश्किल है? Is this difficult for you? Is this difficult for you? सब कुछ अपने समय पर होगा। Everything will happen in time. Everything will happen in time. अब मैं कुछ नहीं कहूँगा। I won't say anything now. I won't say anything now. वह यहाँ रहने नहीं आया। He didn't come to stay. He didn't come to stay. तुमने यह कहाँ से सीखा? Where did you learn this? Where did you learn this? यह मेरी आदत बन गई। This has become my habit. This has become my habit. मैं हर दिन कुछ नया सीखता हूँ। I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. तुम्हें हर चीज की जल्दी होती है। You are always in a hurry. You are always in a hurry. क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you upset with me? Are you upset with me? अब मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't need anything now. I don't need anything now. मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं कहा. I never said that. I never said that. क्या वह फिर आएगा? Will he come again? Will he come again? उसने फिर माफी मांगी है. He apologized again. He apologized again. मुझे आज कुछ अच्छा लगा. I felt good today. I felt good today. मैं यह काम अकेले कर लूंगा. I'll do this alone. I'll do this alone. तुम मेरी सबसे बड़ी ताकत हो. You are my biggest strength. You are my biggest strength. उसने मुझे कुछ समझाया था. He explained something to me. He explained something to me. यह सब अचानक कैसे हुआ? How did this happen suddenly? How did this happen suddenly? वह अक्सर देर से आता है. He often comes late. He often comes late. मुझे तुम्हारी चिंता होती है. I worry about you. I worry about you. अब सब कुछ साफ हो गया. Everything is clear now. Everything is clear now. वह मेरा पुराना दोस्त है. He is my old friend. He is my old friend. मुझे अपनी गलती माननी होगी. I must admit my mistake. I must admit my mistake. वह हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करता है. He always helps others. He always helps others. क्या तुमने पहले कोशिश की थी? Did you try before? Did you try before? अब हम मिलकर आगे बढ़ेंगे. Now we'll move forward together. Now we'll move forward together. तुमने बहुत अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया. You perform very well. You perform very well. मुझे तुम्हारी कोई शिकायत नहीं. I have no complaint against you. I have no complaint against you. मैं वही कह रहा हूँ. I'm saying the same. I'm saying the same. सब कुछ धीरे धीरे ठीक होगा. Everything will get better gradually. Everything will get better gradually. वह यहाँ अकेला क्यों आया? Why did he come alone? Why did he come alone? क्या हम अभी बात कर सकते हैं? Can we talk now? Can we talk now? यह तुम्हारे लिए मुश्किल नहीं है. This isn't hard for you. This isn't hard for you. तुम्हारा जवाब बहुत अच्छा था. Your answer was very good. Your answer was very good. मुझे सिर्फ एक मौका दो. Just give me one chance. Just give me one chance. मैंने अपना बेस्ट दिया है. I have given my best. I have given my best. क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ छुपा रहे हो? Are you hiding something from me? Are you hiding something from me? हमें सब कुछ फिर से शुरू करना होगा. We'll have to start over again. We'll have to start over again. वह हर हाल में खुश रहता है. He stays happy in every situation. He stays happy in every situation. क्या तुम्हें इस पर भरोसा है? Do you believe in this? Do you believe in this? मुझे तुम्हारी आदत हो गई है. I have gotten used to you. I have gotten used to you. मैंने पहले ही सब बताया. I already told everything. I already told everything. यह बात मुझे समझ नहीं आई. I didn't understand this thing. I didn't understand this thing. वह हमेशा मेरी मदद करता है. He always helps me. He always helps me. तुमने मुझे बहुत प्रेरित किया. You inspired me a lot. You inspired me a lot. अब और कुछ कहने को नहीं है. Nothing more to say now. Nothing more to say now. यह बहुत जरूरी नहीं था. It wasn't that important. It wasn't that important. हमें सबके लिए सोचने की जरूरत है. We need to think for everyone. We need to think for everyone. यह सब इतनी जल्दी कैसे हुआ? How did all this happen so fast? How did all this happen so fast? तुम्हें हर बात पर शक होता है. You doubt everything. You doubt everything. मैं तुम्हारे साथ खड़ा हूँ. I stand with you. I stand with you. क्या तुम मुझे समझ पा रहे हो? Are you able to understand me? Are you able to understand me? मैं यह काम अकेले नहीं कर सकता. I can't do this alone. I can't do this alone. उसने अपना काम बहुत ईमानदारी से किया. He did his work honestly. He did his work honestly. क्या वह मुझसे नाराज है? Is he upset with me? Is he upset with me? हमें कुछ अलग सोचना चाहिए. We should think differently. We should think differently. अब और कोई रास्ता नहीं बचा. There is no way left now. There is no way left now. वह हर बार बहाना बनाता है. He makes excuses every time. He makes excuses every time. मुझे उसका व्यवहार पसंद नहीं आया. I didn't like his behavior. I didn't like his behavior. तुम हमेशा मेरी चिंता करते हो. You always care about me. You always care about me. अब हम पहले जैसे नहीं रहे. We are not like before now. We are not like before now. मैंने अब सब कुछ छोड़ दिया है. I have left everything now. I have left everything now. तुम्हें कभी किसी से डरना नहीं चाहिए. You should never fear anyone. You should never fear anyone. मुझे अपनी बात पर भरोसा है. I believe in my words. I believe in my words. अब हमें कोई पछतावा नहीं है. We don't regret anything now. We don't regret anything now. वह हमेशा मुझसे जलता है. He is always jealous of me. He is always jealous of me. मुझे अब किसी की परवाह नहीं. I don't care about anyone now. I don't care about anyone now. सब कुछ हमारे हाथ में नहीं होता. Everything is not in our hands. Everything is not in our hands. मैं इस बार चुप रहूंगा. I'll stay quiet this time. I'll stay quiet this time. उसने मेरी आंखों में देखा. He looked into my eyes. He looked into my eyes. यह तुम्हारे लिए बहुत अच्छा है. This is very good for you. This is very good for you. वह हर दिन मुझसे मिलता है. He meets me every day. He meets me every day. मुझे तुम्हारी बातें समझ आ गई. I understood your words. I understood your words. अब और कुछ बाकी नहीं रहा. Nothing is left now. Nothing is left now. यह मेरा आखिरी फैसला है. This is my final decision. This is my final decision. मैं अब सिर्फ आगे देखता हूँ. I only look ahead now. I only look ahead now. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.